Hello students, welcome back to our 4th class for 6th standard computer science. Today we will learn about chapter 2 Introduction to Adobe Flash CS6. Chapter name is Introduction to Adobe Flash CS6. These are the topics we'll cover in the chapters. How to insert shapes and use pencil and color to the shapes and lines. Then use timeline, stage and menu bar of Adobe Flash. Insert shape and motion tween. Play the scene of tween. Students, can I ask you a question? How many of you love to watch cartoon movies and play video games? Yes, all of us, okay? But have you ever wondered how these movies and games are created? How these movies and games are created? I guess now. Students, today we are going to study Flash, Adobe Flash Professional CS6. So one of the software that can be used to create cartoon movies and games. This lesson should be contains the Adobe Flash Professional CS6 for Windows is a powerful tool for creating interactive content, including application videos and games for both browsers and mobile devices. New for the CS6 version of Flash program is wider support for mobile platforms including an Android iOS. Adobe Flash Professional CS6. CS stands for Creative Shoot. This software was released by Adobe Systems in the year 2012. Then starting Flash. Start Adobe Flash. We have to access the following steps. Firstly, click on the Start button. Then click on the All Programs option. In the Programs menu, we click on Adobe Master Collections CS6 and then click Adobe Flash Professional as CS6. Click on Adobe Master Collection CS6 folder. Then the start of screen of Flash gets displayed. To start working on Adobe Flash, you need to create a new Flash file. The given step to create a new Flash file. First step, click on the File menu and select New. The new document window appears. The first window is the new document window appears. After that, click on Action Script 3.0 General tab and choose Action Script 3.0 and click on the OK button. In the Create a New section, New Flash document open. Now listen here. See the window. The main window of Flash software appears on the computer screen. This is a Flash window. Opening and saving an existing Flash is done through the menu bar under the File option. The process is similar to any other version of MS Office software. The Flash file is saved as a file with .fla extension. Now, students, take page number 13. It is a very important question. Components of Flash. let us know about the elements of a Flash document window. The Flash document window contains 8 major elements. The first one is stage, then timeline, then frames, then keyframes, then layers, playhead, properties panel and tools panel. First one is stage, timeline, frames, keyframes, layers, playhead, properties panel, tools panel. That is components of Flash. The first element is stage. See the window, stage. Stage, it is a white area where you place the graphics, text, video clips so that they can be shown as a part of a movie. That contains, can create graphics, animation, etc. The second element is timeline. Timeline, it is the area we will decide the sequencing and timings of various graphics and other elements of a movie. The third element is frames. Animations are created with the help of frames. A small rectangular cell on the top of the timeline is called frame. It displays the content of a movie at any particular moment of a time. Then keyframes, fourth element, keyframes. Keyframes are special types of frames through which you can change the properties of an object. Then the fifth element is playhead. Playhead indicates the current frame on the stage. It moves from left to right in the timeline. It moves from left to right in the timeline. The sixth element is layers. In Flash, working in layers is very important. They make animation easier. They allow you to keep the elements of your animation separate and they allow you to create scenes. With the appearance of depth, you can add more layers to manage the animation in a document. More layers to manage the animation in a document, that is layers. The seventh element is properties panel. Panels in Flash provide the required information and tools that we may need while working on movies. All panels can be collapsed, expanded, it enclosed or resized. Panels can be opened from the Windows menu home. The eighth element is tools panel. That is toolbox. See the picture, children, see the picture. That is toolbox. The toolbox offers the various tools that let us draw, paint, select and modify graphics on this stage. Tools panel is divided into 4 sections. First one is tools section, second one is views section, third one is colors section, fourth one is options section. Section and description. Section, tools section. This section consists of tools used for drawing, painting and selecting objects. View section. This section consists of to cover or enlarge a region. Color section that consists of to pick the color form and dimensions of the pen. Option sections that consist of used to modify existing vector graphics. used to modify existing vector graphics. Okay students, have you understood? Okay. Whatever theoretical completed in this class, next class will be practical on the computer. Thank you students.